Look,
Hi Mom, what's cooking for dinner tonight?
I am making sardine curry,
Okay,
salad,
okay.
rice,
Oh my god.
and sardine fry.
Holy moly guacamole.
And that's the sardines already marinating. I got my tefla, all my spices, my coconut, and my stuff to do my salad.
Mom, what are you doing now?
I am going to grind my masala.
Holy moly guacamole. It looks so tasty.
I haven't even made it yet.
It does because it's coconut.
Oh, I know, coconut is best.
Now you gotta put the chilies in the thing. That's a lot of chilies.
Mm-hmm.
And that big long one is gonna make it so spicy.
This one,
That's a cashmere chili.
this is for color.
That's a cashmere.
And these are for spicy.
Those are cashmeres, right?
This is Kashmiri chilies, yes. And these are round chilies. We call them Goan chilies. They're spicy, spicy.
Next, you're putting the thing on the grinder. You cut it a little bit then, and then put a little more pieces.
Are you being Mama's helper today?
Look at your finger, Mom. Might not get hurt. Get your finger chopped down. Careful with your fingers. That's nice and very sharp. Oh! Mama! Hello, guys. I love my mom's cooking.
Good job. Hand.
Okay, Hartesh is mixing.
You gotta squish. You gotta put love in it. Love. Ooh, like that. Love has to, no, don't just bounce it. Go in and squish. In and squish. In and squish. In and squish. Squish. And squish it all together. You gotta put the love in it.
What are you doing over here?
Smashing
Smashing.
tefla.
Okay, show people what tefla means. Okay, wait a couple seconds. Let it zoom in. Okay. What are they called in English?
It's actually Szechuan pepper. And you use the shell. You don't use...
What do they smell like?
So yummy.
Look guys, Lavish is with me. Kita khal ice cream mo. Sana? Bubbly.
You have to eat dinner. No ice cream before dinner.
Get out your iPhone yet?
I don't like it.
No?
No.
Oh God.
Looks nice. Software is good. I hate that camera. Oil. Let it get hot. Chili.
Ooh,
Watch out.
it's splattering.
It's because it's hot. Watch out. Masala.
Whoa, whoa!
Be careful, buddy.
Sprinkle on me.
Oh, poor baby. Fry your masala, guys. Don't forget to fry your masala.
Somebody said in one of the comments, I don't know where it was. Everybody is becoming American, eating burgers, chicken fries and everything, and we are doing opposite. We're going back. Everybody ordering outside and we are
That's
going.
what's healthy, guys. When you go to that burgers, that pizza stuff, that's when you have health issues.
If those people see how they cook that stuff, they're not
If
gonna
you're
eat
cooking
that.
it at your house, fresh, okay. But just that fast food stuff is later on it just leads to issues.
Oops, nope, thank you. I'd rather stay hungry.
Look at that color, guys. Ooh, yummy.
Ooh, I can already smell it. It's already coming.
You smell it, no? All right, now let's put in our sardines. Gently give it a stir. Pop on your lid and let it cook. Not forget about our kokum. Nice wet kokum. Straight from India. Look at that.
Dun, dun, dun.
And let's add in our kokum,
Secret juice.
secret sauce, and our
Main ingredient.
tefla. Look at that.
See if it needs salt.
Why?
Because somebody said, do you eat the food you cook?
Of course.
Need salt?
Spicy, guys. Yeah, I only put a little bit in earlier. Fish frying time.
Let's show people what you do. Boom. Dip and drop.
Dip and drop.
Yes. Dun da down. Dish. Guys, I wish y'all could smell the fish from the phone. Smells so yummy.
Tasty, guys.
A lot of people said, oh, you have won the lottery, my guy. I have won the lottery, baby. Ooh.
The lottery.
Lottery for cooking Indian food.
Indian food.
Indian food.
Indian food.
American people are going to say, why are you eating them small fish, no? They don't know that the smaller the fish, the better it tastes.
Hi, guys. Dinner's ready. Come and eat.
Okay, so what we got?
We have sardine curry, sardine masala fry, salad, and rice.
Let's try.
All right, so let's go.
Ta-da! Okay.
Dun, 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 dish.
Dun, 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 dish.
Okay, Joe, begin. Okay.
He's giving you fish.
Oh, you don't want fishes?
It's one fishies.
Mmm.
So yummy, guys.
Fishes. So that's good. Even though you come all the way from India, it's good. Mmm. Mmm. It's good. Good job.
Oh. I know it was tasty. But you got your hand on that bottle of water. Your poopy's gonna be hot in the morning.
Yeah.
Alright guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, share and follow for more. Bye guys.